Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are aluminum wheels, running board side steps, leather steering wheel, driver airbag, tow hitch, passenger illuminated visor mirror, stability control, rear defrost, and multi-zone AC. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.